In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dall-E 3 without needing a Chatgpt Plus subscription. This is an exciting development for those who love experimenting with AI-generated images, but prefer not to invest in a subscription. I'll walk you through this process step by step so that you can access and create stunning images effortlessly. First things first, you're going to want to open Chatgpt. Now, if you haven't done this before, it's quite simple. Just navigate to the Chatgpt site via your preferred web browser. Once you're there, log in if you haven't already. After you're logged in, move on to creating a new chat. You can usually find the option to start a new chat somewhere on the main interface. This feature allows you to begin fresh conversations and is an essential step in guiding the AI to understand what you're looking to create. Now, let's talk about the good news for free users. Recently, Chatgpt has begun offering a limited number of Dall-E 3 images without any charge for those who have not subscribed to the Plus version. This is a wonderful opportunity for users who are keen to explore what Dall-E 3 has to offer without incurring any extra costs. However, keep in mind that this availability is limited, so you'll want to check your account to see if these free images are accessible for you. To determine if you've been given access, simply explore your account settings or notifications. Sometimes the platform will provide alerts or updates on features that are currently available to you as a free user. If you find that your account does indeed have access, then you're all set to start creating your first image. Here comes the fun part. In your new chat, type in the phrase, "create an image of," and then let your imagination run wild. You might suggest something simple like a sunset over the mountains, or something more imaginative like a futuristic city in the clouds. Whatever it is you choose, make sure to convey your vision clearly, as this is what the AI relies on to generate the perfect image for you. Be concise but detailed in your description to help the AI comprehend and visualize your idea accurately. This opportunity to visualize your ideas without a premium subscription is a fantastic way to engage with AI technology. By following these instructions, you can explore the creative possibilities offered by Dall-E 3, all while keeping your budget intact. So give it a try and discover just how far your creativity can take you.